To use your own photo as wallpaper for all chat on WhatsApp in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, open WhatsApp. Tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right. And then select setting. Tap chat. Under display section, tap wallpaper. Tap wallpaper thumbnail. And then tap my photos. Now select the desired photo you like to use as WhatsApp wallpaper. You will see a preview to know how the wallpaper will look like if it's applied. If you are satisfied, tap Set Wallpaper to apply this wallpaper to all chat. The wallpaper for all chat has been set to the selected photos. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.